Hi there, Lina here. Welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how I revamped this wig right here. How I take a look in from this right here to this. If you want to see how I did it, please keep on watching. And if you're not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe before we get right into this video. So first, I'm going to start by detangling the hair by using a hairbrush to brush through the entire hair. And after I finish brushing through the entire hair, I'm going to pour water on the hair and start the process of washing it. After ensuring that the entire hair is completely wet, I'm going to apply this Tresemme shampoo all over the hair and start to massage it all through the hair and just sort of walk the products through the hair and just keep on running my hands through it and ensure that I get as much dirt from the wig off. Then I'm going to apply water just to rinse off some of that dirt that is trapped in the wig. I'm going to keep on rinsing it off while I'm just massaging my hand through the hair to ensure that any dirt that is trapped, even on the inside of the wig cap, comes out. So this is my first wash. I'm going to reapply more of that shampoo and rub it generously all over the hair, massaging it all through. This is the shampoo I'm using, and it's the Flawless Curls shampoo from Tresemme. Just keep on massaging the product all through the hair and ensuring that I get a very good wash from the up part all the way to the tip of the hair. And after I'm done washing the entire thing and I'm pleased with how it is, I'm going to start rinsing off the products, that's the shampoo from the hair, to ensure that I get it to be the wig to be completely clean. All the dirt has been trapped in it, I rinse it off completely, and I'm not going to stop rinsing off the hair until the water that is coming out of the wig now looks clean. Yes, so when the water that is coming out of the wig looks clean, I know that the hair is clean and ready for the next process, and that is, well, almost right about now. I'm just going to do another rinse to ensure that the water is clean before I proceed to the next step. And yes, the water is clean right now, so I'm free to proceed to the next step. And the next step is going to be using my anti-breakage conditioner. This one right here, it's also from Tresemme. I'm going to apply very generous quantity to the hair and start to use my fingers to massage the conditioner all over the entire wig. And if the product I have is not enough, I can go back to the container and reapply a little bit more and keep on massaging the conditioner all over the entire hair until I'm pleased with how soft the hair is and how I feel like the conditioner is really getting the work done. Next, I'm going to apply this keratin treatment all over the hair, and this serves as my deep conditioner. I'm going to massage it all the way from the up parts and apply it generously down towards the tip of the hair, running my fingers through the hair and just sort of ensuring that the entire product goes all through the strands. And I'm using my hairbrush to brush through the hair from the tip of the hair all the way to the top of the hair. And after I'm done brushing through the hair, you can see how sleek and smooth the hair looks. So I put it here into the microwave to sort of heat up the product so that the product gets into the strands. I rinsed it off, and this is the hair outside air drying, and this is what the hair looks like after it has completely air dried. What I want to do right now is to start styling the hair, and my client told me that she wants this hair styled as a body weave. So I applied my Moroccan argan oil serum. Then I sprayed my heat protectant spray and brushed through the hair. Then I used that small comb to comb through the hair, and I'm going to use my hair straightener to straighten the hair. And I'm going to straighten the entire hair on this bottom part right here, working in really small sections. And while I'm straightening the hair, I'm going to use that small comb to comb through it and then straighten it with that Cloud9 hair straightener. After straightening the hair with the hair straightener, what I'm going to do next is take a small section of the hair and start coiling it with my hot coiling wand. I noticed that I started coiling the hair in a lazy pattern, and then I realized that this hair is really long. If I want to coil this hair well, I'll need to do this method that I'm doing, because if you want to coil your hair with the barrel on the inside, like the first method I was seeing, it'd be difficult for the entire hair to go into it. So I had to use this method that I did, and I secured the tip with some of the hair on the other side. Just watch and see the entire process of how I coil this hair, because when you're working with hair that is really long, it's much more difficult to coil hair that is really long, unlike when you're coiling hair that's like 14 inch 16 inch. Those average lengths of hair are a lot more easier to coil than the very long hair. Very long hair is difficult to coil, and very short hair also is slightly difficult to coil when you don't have a small coiling wand. So watch me coil the entire hair, and I'm just rolling the hair all over the entire coiling wand, and I'm going to take hair from the one that I haven't coiled and just secure the tip of the hair so that it doesn't come off, just to ensure that the tip of the hair also gets coiled. Because with this coiling method I used, it's easy for the tips to unravel and it wouldn't take the heat well. That's the reason why I used hair that I haven't coiled to secure the tip. And even when I take off the hair that I used to hold the tip, I just sort of coil that tip inwards and then I hold it up there for the heat to go all over the hair. Then I use my pin to pin the hair up there so that the heat can cool off. Then I continue the process of coiling the hair. I'm going to repeat this entire process for the entire week. And take note, if you're not subscribed to my channel, sis, bro, what are you waiting for? Please click on the subscribe button right below and also turn on the post notification bell so you know when I upload a new video to our YouTube channel. We have to get to 10k subscribers. I can't wait. It's been a long time coming. Let's get to 10k subscribers, guys. Please click on the subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up if you're getting value from this video so far. So after coiling the hair, I used the pin to sort of pull out the coils, and then I used the same pin to pin the hair up. So what I'm doing right now is taking another section of the hair. I'm going to apply my Moroccan argan oil serum all over the hair and also brush through the hair and then spray my heat protector and spray on the hair and then start using my hair straightener to straighten the hair. Some people choose to coil their hair without straightening it, but I just wanted to straighten the hair because the hair had like a water wavy coil pattern on it and I wanted to turn it into a body wave. So that's the reason why I had to straighten the hair so that it will allow the hair form a very beautiful body wave pattern when I'm done coiling it. So I finished coiling one side of the hair. What is left right now is the closure area, and I applied my Moroccan argan oil serum. I sprayed the heat protectant spray, comb through the hair, and then I sectioned off the middle part of the closure because this closure area is going to be styled as a middle part. Then next, I moved over to one side of the wig. I divided it into two. I straightened the hair, and I'm going to use my hot coiling wand to flatten the hair around the closure area. And after I've applied hair to the closure area to lay any of the baby hairs that are baby hairs, the flyaway hairs down, and then I'm going to start wrapping the hair all around the coiling wand and use a bit of hair to hold the hair at the tip so that it doesn't unravel. And after the hair has taken the heat spot, I'm going to take it off. But while the hair was taking the heat, I straightened off the other part and then I went back to unravel that one that I had kept on top and then I clipped it away. The next thing I'm going to do is to coil the rest of the hair on this side of the wig. And after I'm done coiling the hair on this side of the wig, I'm going to let the hair take the heat for a few seconds, take it off and then pin the hair up there. Then I'm going to flip the hair over to the other side and coil the other part of the hair that I haven't coiled yet. If you're getting value from this video so far, please make sure you give the video a huge thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. If you are not yet subscribed, go to my website to purchase wigs from me. You want me to revamp your wig for you, you can reach out to me on Instagram for hair revamp services. If you want to order a wig from me, my business page on Instagram is at ENL Beauty Hair. Yeah, and if you haven't bought my books, How to Start Your Hair Business, Hair Extensions, and How to Test its Quality, those books are available on my website and it's also available on Amazon. So you can check out those books. It will really give you a lot of knowledge and information about the hair business, the hair extensions, and the hair basically. So on this side of the hair right here, I'm coiling the hair just the same way I coiled the other parts of the hair, and I'm sort of using the inward coiling method, which I typically use because this hair right here is not really as thick as the rest of the hair that I've been coiling, and it's not as long as the hair on the back. That's the reason why I could use this method. So after the hair has taken the heat, I'm going to take it off and pin it on top and also coil the rest of the hair after I have straightened it with the hair straightener. And I know that we are completely done with the process of coiling the hair. I noticed that I used my hair wax to lay the flyaway hairs, and then I used the hair coiling one to flatten the hair first. Then I started to coil the hair all the way to the very tip of the hair. Then I take off the coiling wand after the hair has taken the heat very well. Then I pin the coils on top and I let the curls sit on the hair for about 10 to 20 minutes before I took out the pin. So one thing I want you to know is, if you want your curls to last a lot longer, you want to leave the pin on your hair for longer than a few minutes. You can leave it for a day or 2 days, 3 days. But when you take the pin off almost immediately, the curls may not last very long, especially when you're using a large coiling wand. So you want to leave the pin up there for longer if you want your curls to be more defined, to be, be more bouncy. But I wanted to achieve a body wave look. That's the reason why I didn't leave the pin up there for really long. So I'm just going to take my time right here and take off the pins from the hair. And if the curls are going in a direction that I don't want, I'm going to use my finger and flip it back to go in the direction that I want it to go. And if there's anyone that looks like it's not smooth, I'm going to use a comb to comb the hair to go in the direction that I want it to go, and while it also ends up looking smooth the way I want it to look smooth. I'm going to spray this Stress Me hairspray on the curls just to help it last a little bit longer, because of course, I took off the pin very quickly, so I just sprayed that hairspray all over the hair to just help the curls last a bit longer, especially after I comb it off. I still want the hair to still have a little bit of curls on it, because what I'm trying to achieve is the body wave curl pattern. I just take my time and I keep on taking off the clips from the hair, and I use my fingers to roll the curls to go in the direction that I want it to go. I'm going to keep on taking off the clip from the rest of the hair until I've taken off the clips all over. And like I said, if there's any curl that is not going in the direction you want it to go, it doesn't look smooth, just comb through it and then use your fingers to roll it to go in the direction that you want it to go, and voila, it comes out looking very beautiful. So for the curls on top, after I take it off, I use my comb to just sort of comb it to go in the direction that I want it to go and have it looking smooth. But I'm going to go back to my hair wax much later to style the hair around the closure area, and I just use that hairspray to just spray all over the curls so that the curls last long. But one thing you're going to notice about the curls is that because this hair is really long, it won't be easy for the curls to stay tight on top, especially because I took off the pins really quickly. I didn't leave the pins to stay up there for at least a day or 2 days. I took it off after a few minutes. So I'm going to spray that hairspray all over the entire hair, and then I'm going to start styling the hair around the closure area and the back of the closure so that it covers up the weft. Then I applied my hair wax, sprayed my heat protector and spray, and I'm going to use the hot coiling wand to flatten the hair around the closure area to make it look smooth and clean. Yes, so flatten. So guys, if you're getting value from this video so far, please make sure you give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you're not yet subscribed. And what I'm doing is just styling the closure area right now. You can see I'm using my comb. While I comb through the hair, I'm using that hot coiling wand to flatten the hair around the closure area. I keep on doing this until I'm done with the entire process, and I'm pleased with how it looks. And right about now, I think I'm pleased with how the closure looks. So what I'm going to do next is just adjust that mannequin head a little bit and just work on this other side right here before I then proceed to combing out the curls, because of course I won't be leaving the curls like this, but you can just leave your curls like this and then comb it out with time. But I just wanted to just comb it so it looks like a body wave before I wrap up the video. So this is what the curl looks like. You notice that it looks a bit lazy. That's the reason why I had to comb it out. So I'm applying my foundation to the parting of that's the middle part of the closure area so that it looks a lot more natural. And after I'm done applying the foundation right there, I'm going to show you what the wig looks like. This is what it currently looks like. It looks like this. I could choose to leave it like this, but honestly, it's not giving me the body wave look that I want. So of course, I'm going to use my white tooth comb and comb through the hair to achieve that body wave look that I want. Yes, I think I like the way it looks now a lot better. But if you feel like you like the way the hair looks without before the combing, you can choose to leave it like that. But I wanted the body wave look. That's the reason why I had to comb it out, and this is what the hair is giving right now. So guys, thank you so much for watching this tutorial. Remember, people have courage, live a positive life, and I'll definitely see you in my next video. Bye. Check my other videos out. Bye.